Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go, bud.
What is
Oh my goodness. Lay's Asian flavored, Asian style chips. We got some spicy stuff, some seafood. Oh my goodness. I am excited to bring this to you. And I can't wait for you guys to see our review on it. What do you think?
I think chips.
Chips. We got crawfish, spicy crawfish,
And
spicy squid,
pure spicy
pure
flavor.
spicy. What
That's
are
it.
we doing? What are we doing? We are going to be going insane. In our mouths. Alright, you guys, so this is it. The pure spicy Lay's Asian style.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Are we in trouble? Let's try them.
Looks like they're wavy.
They do look wavy. Let's see what they really look like when we open them.
Wavy.
Ooh, they are wavy, guys. Look at that. My goodness gracious almighty. Alright, let's see. Look.
Smell?
They smell like potato. I can smell a little bit of pepper. It's like spiced chili in there.
Yeah. Interesting.
Mmm, very interesting. Okay. Alright, ready?
Yes.
There's for you. Whoa. Oh, look how red they are. Like, whoa, my goodness, they're so red. Goodness gracious. Ah, cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Mmm. 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 Oh.
Huh.
That was interesting.
Yeah.
It just tastes like just a regular spicy Lay's chip.
Yeah.
Wavy chip, the wavy style. Wow, I thought it was gonna be. Well, okay.
It's
Wow,
wow.
I like the flavor. Very interesting.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It very well reminds me of barbecue chip.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Cheers. Ooh, that one's. Mmm. Mhm. Mmm. I like them. They're good. They're very country. Nice wavy texture to them. Like it kind of does taste like Chad is right. Like a little hint of barbecue is there, which there's probably not. It just says pure spicy, but I kind of feel like the same thing. When you get just like a hint of spiciness, it's actually not too bad at all. I feel like I'm just eating like just regular Lay's, Ruffles, wavy, the wavy kind, with a little bit of spicy on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. Mhm.
slightly spicier than usual barbecue sauce or
Yeah.
barbecue.
Yeah.
flavor.
Absolutely. And then we got Daisy bothering us again. What are you bothering us for? No, just kidding. Hey, baby. Okay. Well, all right. Next one.
Cool.
Cool.
Oh,
All right. Here we go. What is this, Chad?
it's squid.
Squid Lay's flavored chips, Chinese style, or Asian style, or whatever this is. Sorry. Anyway, they also look wavy like the other ones.
Yeah.
I'm actually really excited to try the squid ones.
Oh.
Ooh, you can smell the squid flavor. Okay. Smell like a little roasted, rustic kind of flavor
Yeah.
in there. They're wavy, like I said earlier. Ooh, oh, there's one for you.
Thanks.
Not as dark as red as the other ones. These still do have some spicy in them.
Spicy.
Oh, they're not spicy. Oh, my bad. I was wrong. They're grilled flavored squid chips.
Ugh.
Ooh, cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
I am.
Mm.
It kind of.
No.
I kind of
I dig it. I like it.
I kind of don't taste the squid flavor.
I taste like a little grilled, rustic flavor. I'm not sure. I think I agree. I don't really taste the squid. What we got here, we got some potato chips that are wavy. They taste like they've been grilled.
Wavy.
With a slight hint of squid. I actually taste it now. Kind of a little back in the throat kind of flavor. But it was really good. I like them. Really crunchy. I like these Lay's Asian styled flavored chips. It's pretty good. Hi, baby girl. Hey, baby, you think you're gonna get some, huh?
Yeah.
No. All right, you guys. We have these Lay's flavored Asian styled spicy crawfish.
Crawfish.
Crawfish, yummy. You know, I used to not like crawfish very much. I don't know. I used to not like it
That's
for the longest time. I don't know if I just had a bad experience or what. And then one day, Chap was like, "Just give it another try." I was like, "Okay, fine." And I actually like them now because I don't know, maybe the way he's cooking them or something like that. But they're so delicious. I like them now. We're gonna try these now. You want to try these?
Yes.
They look like they're just plain this time, like the original Lay's, but with spicy crawfish on there. See the crawfish?
Keyword spicy.
Yeah, keyword. This one's spicy. I thought the squid one was spicy for some reason, but it wasn't. Okay, you ready? Want to try it? Hey.
Oh, I can smell it.
Did you get a good whiff of it?
Yeah.
That's good. Ooh. Smells really good, actually. I kind of like it. Ooh, there we go.
Oh, they're big slices.
They're big, yeah. These ones have turned out to be pretty big for the most part. All right, cheers, you guys. Cheers, Chad. Mmm. 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 Yeah, I like them.
You can taste the crawfish.
Yeah, definitely. The spicy's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's really light. I thought it would really be a lot spicier because, you know, I mean, Asian. Really spicy. But it's really not that bad. I barely taste any spiciness. I really like it. Like how nice and big. You got nice, crispy, crunchy chips here. Just a nice, equal flavor of crawfish. Just a little hint of spiciness. Man, these are so good. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Alright, yep. I'm going to have to give you our star rating now on these. And, oh yeah. I like them. The crawfish style, you guys have to go to the Asian market and find these. Alright, we'll be right back. We're going to give our star rating now.
Alrighty.
Alright, you guys. So we have an idea. We're going to add a little bit to this. We're going to try, and we're going to take one of each.
Oh.
One for you. Hold on to that. One for me.
It's a sandwich.
One for you. One for me. One for you. One for me. Ooh! I'm going to put my crawfish in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to have a little taste test sandwich. Ready? Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Take the little piece off.
Yeah.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
What the?
That was actually really good. All three combined does make it a tad bit spicier. It's still awfully really crunchy, and I can get you get like a little kick of the extra spicy. You get a kick of the grilled squid, and then it's like the little bit of the crawfish. You can taste everything. I like how you can taste a little bit of everything in there. Anyway, just a little bonus extra. Just trying that and see what we thought about all three of them together. So Chad's gonna go first with his star rating. We got all three of these that we tried. All right.
These ones. Okay.
Those ones first.
These will have to be for me a 4.
Okay.
They're 4-star. They remind me a lot of barbecue flavored chips.
Mm-hmm.
The wavy texture is really nice. They're not as spicy as we thought. They're really tangy.
Definitely not. Yeah.
And again the wavy texture is really nice. Though I do prefer the classic texture more. That's just me. But these are really good. 4-star.
Okay. Well, I do agree with everything that he says. So my star rating is on these is a 4-star. Also, I like them. I like the fact that they're not over spicy. They look like they're gonna be. Like if you take a look at them, they look like they're gonna be really spicy, but they're not. I don't mind. I don't really have a preference between the classic Lay's and the wavy Lay's. So that's it for that one. This is the pure. Yeah, this is the pure spicy flavor.
Yes.
Not that bad.
Or Squid.
Okay.
Squidward.
Squidward.
Oh no. Okay. So the grilled squid, I'm gonna say a 4-star as well for these ones. They have a nice grilled flavor. It's grilled squid. Very light squid flavor. Not very like fishy taste at all. And again, the wavy is good too. And not too much to say about this one.
Okay. Well, mine on here also. I guess we're just gonna go 4-star all the way because I do agree. I like how it's a nice light squid flavor. It's not overpowering. It's not fishy or anything like that. And you can tell that well, I don't know if they were grilled or not, but they taste like they were grilled, put out on the grill and cooked that way. I like that about that. That's my 4-star rating on those ones. Anyway, now we got these.
These! Ooh, these ones I really like. These ones I would say 4.5, pretty close to 5.
Wow.
Again, I like the classic flat chip style. These ones, the crawfish flavor was part of it. It was really good. And also, again, it wasn't too spicy and the flavor wasn't over powerful.
Right.
It was a good chip.
I do agree. I do agree with all that. It was really subtle. The crawfish flavor wasn't over spicy. It didn't feel like your mouth was going to fall off or anything. I don't have a preference, like I said before, on whether it's wavy or the classic style, the flat classic style like that, or the wavy style like that. I'm not worried about that. I do like these a little bit better than these, so I am going to go and agree with Chad, the 4.5 star. So that's our star rating on these chips. They're Lay's Asian style flavored chips. You gotta find them in the Asian market, and I'm sure you can around.
Yeah.
And give them a good try, because we really recommend these ones. They're really good. It sounds crazy, but they're really good.
And here's Daisy.
And here's Daisy. She's come to say hi.
Wow.
As always.
Uh-oh.
She thinks she's gonna get something, and she's not. Oh. Alright, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Alright, you guys. That'll do it for now.
Thank you for watching our Wednesday Hump Day